UGC NET JRF exam. History paper 2. July 2018 solved paper. Note, this paper contains 100 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. 1. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Thinker. List 2. Definition of history. GP Coach. History has had assigned to it the task of judging the past, of instructing the present for the benefit of ages to come. Henry Pirenne. History is the story of deeds and achievements of men living in societies. Rainier. All past is my past and I want to recapture it for my own satisfaction. Walsh. Either we must admit that history has a meaning or we must admit that history is a chaotic aggregate of unconnected events and processes taking all rhythm and reason. Question number 2. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Author, title of the book. S.K. Maiti, The Economic Life in Northern India in the Gupta period. R.K. Mukherjee, History of Indian Shipping. R.C. Majumdar, Hindu Colonies in the Far East. T.V. Mahalingam, The Pandyan Kingdom. And the answer is option D, T.V. Mahalingam, The Pandyan Kingdom. Question number 3. Which of the following prehistoric sites is known for the mass production of microliths? A. Adamgarh, B. Bagor, C. Nalagonda, D. Sanganakallu. And the answer is option B, Bagor. Question number 4. Which of the following objects are known from the Copper Hoard sites? 1. Anthropomorphic figures. 2. Antennae swords. 3. Harpoons. 4. Flat cells. Code. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 5. Which of the following archaeological sites provide evidence of awareness and technical skill of Harappans for the water resource management? 1. Dholavira. 2. Mohenjo-daro. 3. Harappa. 4. Kalibangan. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 and 4. D. 1 and 3. And the answer is option A, 1 and 2. 6. Which of the following janas are mentioned in the Rig Veda? 1. Yadu. 2. Puru. 3. Chedi. 4. Matsya. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 7. The important official next to the king during the Vedic age was A. Govikarthana. B. Purohita. C. Queen. D. Senani. And the answer is option B, Purohita. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Upanishadic kingdoms. A. Ajatasatru Mahada. B. Asvapati Kekaya. C. Janaka Videha. D. Pravahana Jaivali Panchala. And the answer is option A, Ajatasatru Mahada. Question number 9. The main dispute between the Dihambara and the Swethambara sects was due to the emphasis on the following: A. Discipline and hard life. B. Non-violence. C. Pious living. D. Truth. And the answer is option A, discipline and hard life. 10. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Ashokan pillars, animal on the capital. A. Lauriya Nandangar, bull. B. Rampurava, lion. C. Sanchi, lion. D. Sankisa, elephant. And the answer is option A, Lauriya Nandangar, bull. 11. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Assertion A. The very existence of Kautilya at the time of Chandragupta Maurya is regarded as doubtful. Reason R. Patanjali does not mention Kautilya, though he refers to the Sabha of Chandragupta and to the Mauryas. Megasthenes, the ambassador of Seleucus to the court of Chandragupta, does not notice Kautilya. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 12. Which among the following samskaras were prenatal? 1. Garbhadana. 2. Pumsavana. 3. Simantonayana. 4. Sahadharma Charini Samyoga. Code A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 13. Which of the following Dharma Sutras describe sea voyage as a degrading act? A. Apastamba. B. Baudhyana. C. Gautama. D. Vasistha. And the answer is option B. Baudhyana. 14. Buddha was symbolically represented in Sunga art by which of the following? 1. Chatra. 2. Footsteps. 3. Dharmachakra. 4. Bodhi tree. Code A. 1 only, B. 2 and 3, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 15. Which of the following is not mentioned in the Satavahana inscriptions while specifying the exemptions granted to the donees of land gifts? A. No entry of the army. B. No administrative control of the king. C. No digging for salt by royal officers. D. No forced labor. And the answer is option D. No forced labor. 16. Who among the following depicted Shiva on their coins? 1. Harsha. 2. Sasankha. 3. Vasudeva. 4. Bim Katphasis. Code A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 17. Match list 1 with list 2 using the code given below. List 1. Place of the inscription. List 2. Issuer of the inscription. Junagar. Rudradaman. Mandasur. Kumaragupta. Jaugada. Ashoka. Mihrali. Chandra. 18. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason. Assertion A. In the course of his Indian tour in the 5th century, Hussain reported that no respectable person ate meat in this country. Reason R. Ashoka, who himself was a strong believer in the doctrine of non-injury to men and animals, ahimsa, had banned animal sacrifices and regulated the slaughter of animals for food. Answer is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 19. Following are the names of the land measures in Bengal of the Gupta and post-Gupta periods. Choose the answer indicating their order from the highest to the lowest using the code given below. 1. Kulyavapa. 2. Dronavapa. 3. Pataka. Code A. 3, 1 and 2. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 3, 2 and 1. D. 2, 3 and 1. And the answer is option E. 3, 1 and 2. Pataka, Kulyavapa, Dronavapa. 20. Evidence of water tax is provided by the inscription of A. Palas, B. Senas, C. Pratiharas, D. Kahadavalas. And the answer is option D. Kahadavalas. 21. Who among the following was the first to explain that the rotation of the earth on its axis accounts for the daily rising and setting of the sun? A. Aryabhata, B. Bhaskara, C. Brahmagupta, D. Varahamihira. And the answer is option A. Aryabhata. 22. Who among the following were great Tamil Saiva saints? Choose the answer using the code given below. 1. Appar. 2. Sundaramurti. 3. Manika Vasagar. 4. Mallikarjuna Pandita. Code A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2 and 4, C. 1 and 3, D. 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option A. 1, 2 and 3. 23. Which of the following statements is wrong in the respect of Rashtrakutas? A. Indra III defeated the Pratihara ruler Mahipala I. B. Krishna III defeated the Cholas in the battle of Takkolam. C. The Kailasa temple at Ellora was cut out at the instance of Krishna II. D. Nirpatunga was the author of Kaviraja Marga. The answer is option C. The Kailasa temple at Ellora was cut out at the instance of Krishna II. 24. Under the Cholas, land revenue was collected through the A. Government officials, B. Gram Sabha, C. Feudal lord, D. Treasurer. And the answer is option B. Gram Sabha. 25. Arrange the following kings of Kashmir in a chronological order. 1. Avantivarman. 2. Chandrapida. 3. Durlabhavarman. 4. Lalitaditya. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1, 4, 2 and 3. B. 2, 1, 3, 4. 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. D. 4, 3, 1, 2. And the answer is 3, 2, 4, 1. Durlabvardhan, Chandrapida, Lalitaditya, Avantivarman. 26. Arrange the following in the chronological order in which they were written. 1. Ittashara. 2. Manasolasa. 3. Vikramajuna Vijaya. 4. Chatuvarga Chintamani. Code A. 1, 2, 4, 3. B. 2, 1, 3, 4. C. 3, 1, 2, 4. D. 4, 3, 1, 4. And the answer is option C. 3, 1, 2, 4. Vikramarjuna Vijaya, Mittakshara, Manasolasa, Chatuvarga Chintamani. 27. A new tendency towards specialization of officers is illustrated by such titles as Latasanti Vigrahika in the records of A. Kalyana Chalukyas, B. Cholas, C. Kalachuris, D. Rakshtrakutas. And the answer is option A. Kalyana Chalukyas. 28. Arrange the following rulers in a chronological order. 1. Chandala Paramardi. 2. Kahadavala Govinda Chandra. 3. Kalachuri Karna. 4. Pratihara Boja. Select the correct order from the code given below. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 1, 4, 3. C. 3, 2, 1, 4. D. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is option D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pratihara Boja, Kalachuri Karna, Kahadavala Govinda Chandra, Chandala Paramardi. 29. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1 temple, list 2 builder queen. Brahmeshwara temple, Bhuvaneshwar. Koladevi. Lakshman temple, Sirpur, Vasatha. Mallikarjuna temple, Pattadakkal. Trilokya Mahadevi. Virupaksha temple, Pattadakkal. Lokamahadevi. 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1 Jain text. List 2 writers. Kuvalayamala Udyonasuri. Samarai Chak Akhaha Haribhadra. Tilaka Manjari Dhanapala. Yasastilaka Champu Somadeva. 31. Which of the following are correct in respect of the Golakhi Mata? 1. It was located in Dahala Mandala. 2. It was a Saiva monastery. 3. Kalachuri Yuvaraja I granted villages for its maintenance. 4. Sadbhava Sambhu was the head of the Matha. Code A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is option D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 32. Ghatyantra was used in early medieval India for A. Conducting tantric rituals. B. Irrigation from wells. C. Manufacturing metal vessels. D. Pouring of water for sacrificial rituals. And the answer is option B. Irrigation from wells. 33. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. Jayavarman II instituted the Devaraja cult in Kambuja. Reason R. By it he wanted Kambuja to be independent. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 34. What is not correct about Arab traveller Istakari? A. He was a resident of Kar in Khorasan. B. He visited India in 951. C. He wrote Kitab al-Aqwalim and Masalik wal Mamalik. D. He is reported to have prepared a map of the world. And the answer is option A. He was a resident of Kar in Khorasan. 35. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Sultan Iltutmish showed profound respect to Sufi saints like Sheikh Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Khaki, Qasi Hamiduddin Nahori, Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria, etc. 2. He placated the ulema also by holding frequent religious discourses in his court, and his policies were affected by the opinions of the orthodox theologians. 3. He did not bother to consult the ulema while nominating Razia as his successor. 4. He, however, derived full advantage from the goodwill of the mystic that he enjoyed on account of his pious personal life. Select correct answer from the code given below. Code A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 2 and 3 only. And the answer is option C. 1, 3 and 4 only. Which of the following is not the work of Amir Khusrau? A. Ijaz-e Khusrawi. B. Ghunyat al-Munya. C. Nusifur. D. Quran-us-Sadain. And the answer is option B. Ghunyat al-Munya. 37. Who among the following sultans of Kashmir commissioned Mullah Ahmad to translate the Mahabharata into Persian? A. Sultan Qutbuddin. B. Sultan Sikandar. C. Sultan Jainul Abidin. D. Sultan Sihabuddin. And the answer is option C. Sultan Jainul Abidin. 38. The earliest of the Jain Kalpasutra paintings belong to which of the following regions? A. Malwa and Gujarat. B. Malwa and Jaunpur. C. Gujarat and Mewar. D. Jaunpur and Gujarat. And the answer is option A. Malwa and Gujarat. 39. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason are. Assertion A. Bharani writes Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq talked as if he hated low-born people more than he hated idols. Nevertheless, I have seen him promoting Najba, the low-born son of a musician, to such an extent that he rose higher in status than many Maliks. For Gujarat, Multan and Badawan were put in his charge. It was strange how he gave high offices and governments of extensive territories and great provinces to men of low and mean birth. Reason R. The Sultan believed in officers being open to talent. He dispensed with whatever consideration of birth had perished in the administration and appointed low-born person to the highest officers in the administration. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? Option A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. D. 40. The Sultan invoked Persian monarchical traditions and adjusted them to the Indian milieu. The book Adab-us-Salatin and Masir-us-Talatin, which he had obtained from Baghdad for the instruction of his sons, dealt with the principles of Persian monarchy, which he was eager to imitate in all their details at Delhi. Identify the Sultan. A. Qutbuddin Aibak. B. Iltutmish. C. Balban. D. Jalaluddin Khalji. And the answer is option B. Iltutmish. 41. Which of the following sultans ordered that Muslim women were not to come out of their houses or to go to visit tombs outside the city of Delhi? Select the correct answer from the code given below. 1. Balban. 2. Firuz Tughlaq. 3. Bahlol Lodi. 4. Sikandar Lodi. Code A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 2 and 4. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And answer is option B. 2 and 4. Firuz Tughlaq, Sikandar Lodi. 42. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled reason. Assertion A. Balban appointed Khwaja to important iqtas to be selected from mutasarrafs. He was a civil official and dealt with accounts and records. Reason or the appointment of such an officer by the Sultan on the recommendation of the Wazir suggests the desire on the part of the Sultan to keep an eye on the revenue division and put a check on the activities of the Mustaq. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 43. With regard to Akbar's nobility, which of the following statement is not correct? A. At the beginning of Akbar's reign, his nobility consisted mainly of Turani and Khurasani nobles. B. From 1561 he began to admit Rajput princes who were allowed to hold their ancestral domains against their mansabs. C. At the same time he discriminated the Shahzadas, Indian Muslims. D. To bring the nobles under close control, he took away their jahirs and put them on cash pay, along with strict branding and muster regulations to ensure regular maintenance of contingents. And the answer is option C. At the same time, he discriminated the Shahzadas, Indian Muslims. 44. Which of the following statements are correct about Kabir's compositions? 1. The most revered collection of Kabir's verses by the Kabir Panthis is the collection Bajak, contained in the Adi Granth. 2. Kabir's verses in the Panchmani literature composed by the Dadu Panthis appear to be little less authentic than the Punjab tradition. 3. Charlotte Vaudeville argues that the corpus of Kabir in the Adi Granth is free from the Kabir Panthi sectarian element. 4. David Lorenzen believes that all the three major collections of Kabir contains interpolation of material from other sources. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1 and 4 only, C. 3 and 4 only, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is option D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 45. Match the earliest references of various techniques given in the list 1 with that of its source given in the list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 2. List 1 technique. List 2 sources. First mention of spinning wheel in India. Isami. Soap manufacture. Sirat-i Firuzahi. Cylinder and piston syringe. Montserrat. Grooved screw as metal attachment. Thevenot. 46. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason are. Assertion A. In the medieval period, the dam was as much as index of the value of copper as the rupee was of silver. Interestingly, the regional price variations attain a much greater importance in the case of copper metal than in that of gold or silver. Reason are. The main supplies were from the mines of the northern and eastern slopes of the Aravalli and the Vindhyan ranges. The proximity to these could play a large part in determining the extent of differences in price among various markets. The answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 47. By an imperial farman, which of the following Rajas of Amber was prohibited from using the Makrana marble in his own Watan Jahir? A. Ram Singh I. B. Raja Bishan Singh. C. Mirza Raja Jai Singh. D. Sawai Jai Singh. And the answer is option C. Mr. Raja Jai Singh. 48. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Traveler, native country. A. Niccolo di Conti, Italy. B. Athanasius Nikitin, Russia. C. Ibn Battuta, Morocco. D. Abdul Razak, Syria. And the answer is option D. Abdul Razak, Syria. 49. His great grandfather had written an account of many animals, plants, and people, but had not ordered his painters to make pictures of them. Identify this royal great grandfather great grandson pair. A. Babur Jahangir. B. Humayun Shahjahan. C. Akbar Aurangzeb. D. Jahangir Bahadur Shah I. And the answer is option A. Babur Jahangir. 50. Who among the following kept one section of his library in the harem where the ladies of the household read out books to him before he went to sleep? A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Akbar. D. Jahangir. And the answer is option C. Akbar. 51. A Mughal emperor showed to the conservative and religious-minded persons that the language is not a natural process, Juban-i-Qudrat, but it is a worldly process of learning. To prove his argument, he, through his practical experiment, kept the newly born in a completely secluded place known as Gung Mahal. Name the Mughal emperor. A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is option B. Akbar. 52. Which of the following are the characteristics of manuscript illustration in Akbarnama? 1. In the Mughal paintings of Akbarnama, usually two painters collaborated as single painting. 2. The sketch and the coloring were usually done by a single painter. 3. The collaborator used to finish portraits only. 4. In certain paintings, sketching, coloring and portraits are done by 3 different painters. Select the correct answers from the code given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is option D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 53. Which of the following painters were in Jahangir's court? 1. Abdul Samad. 2. Abul Hasan. 3. Ustad Mansur. 4. Mir Sayyid Ali. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 2 and 3. D. 1 and 4. And the answer is option C. 2 and 3. Abul Hasan, Ustad Mansur. 54. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Within his own kingdom, Swarajya, Shivaji attempted to build regular administration on the model of Deccan Sultanates. The taxation within it was very light. 2. Shivaji's death saw a momentary eclipse of the polity he had founded, as his son Sambhaji was captured and executed by Aurangzeb. 3. Maratha Sardars enlarged their resources by a rigorous collection of chout, failing which they subjected the recalcitrant territory to plunder. 4. Tarabai, the widow of Shivaji's son, accepted the Mughal suzerainty. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. D. 2 and 3 only. And the answer is option D. 2 and 3 only. 55. Although taken aback by the beauty of Kashmir and its gardens, which of the following emperors decreed in his 6th regnal year that no king should visit there unless on military or administrative business, as he believed that the pursuit of pleasure was inadequate reason for going to Kashmir? A. Jahangir. B. Shahjahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Bahadur Shah I. And the answer is option C. Aurangzeb. 56. Arrange the following monuments in chronological order. 1. Charminar. Sasaram. Humayun's tomb. 1. Charminar, Hyderabad. 2. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. 3. Tomb of Sher Shah Suri, Sasaram. 4. Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. 2341, B. 4132, C. 3214, D. 1423. And the answer is option C, 3214. Tomb of Sher Shah Suri, Sasaram. Humayun's tomb, Delhi. Charminar, Hyderabad. Golgumbas, Bijapur. 57. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1, Jain terms. List 2, meaning. Bhadrak, Digambar temple managers. Kushlak, initial stage of initiation of a Digambar Jain ascetic. Shravak, lay Jain follower. Yati, Svetambar monk who follows the vows minutely. 58. Given below are two statements, one labelled as assertion A and the other labelled reason R. Assertion A. Guru Amardas followed previous practice in appointing his successor. Reason R. The succession of Guruship was confirmed by him on his son-in-law Ramdas and his descendants, thereby making Guruship hereditary. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. 59. After storming Sirhind, Banda Bahadur adopted the title of Patsha, started a new calendar and issued coins bearing the names of which gurus? A. Guru Nanak and Guru Hargobind. B. Guru Nanak and Guru Gobind Singh. C. Guru Hargobind and Guru Arjan. D. Guru Gobind Singh and Guru Tegh Bahadur. And the answer is option B. Guru Nanak and Guru Gobind Singh. 60. Which of the following pair of writers and work is not correctly matched? Writer and work. A. Nizamuddin Ahmad Tabakat-i-Akbari. B. Kafi Khan Mazir-i-Alamgiri. C. Abdul Hamid Lahori Patshahnama. D. Muhammad Kazim Alamgir Nama. And the answer is option B. Kafi Khan Mazir-i-Alamgiri. 61. Given below are two statements, one labelled as assertion A and the other labelled reason R. Assertion A. Akbar was keen to extend operation of measurement and realize revenue in cash. In this regard, he was uncompromising and over strict. Reason R. While these reforms were being carried out under the guidance of Shah Mansur and Todarmal, mutiny broke out in Bihar and Bengal. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. 62. During the medieval period, the rate of discount on cash payments made against hundi was known as A. Ant, B. Fota, C. Dodhami, D. Satrahi. And the answer is option A. Ant. 63. Match artisans engaged in building construction activities given in list 1 with its modern connotations given in list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1, artisans. List 2, modern connotation. A. Ahakpusan, lime burners. B. Kistamalan, bricklayer. C. Pachinkar, engraver. D. Surkhikhob, pounder. 64. Of all the sovereigns of the house of Taimur, nay, of all the sovereigns of Delhi, no one since Sikandar Lodi has ever been apparently so distinguished for devotion, austerity, and justice as him. The above passage, Kafi Khan is applauding the justice of which of the following Mughal emperors? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is option D. Aurangzeb. 65. Name the historians who have directly questioned the centralized character of the medieval Indian state. 1. Bertrand Stein. 2. Douglas Stuyvesant. 3. J.F. Richard. 4. Frank Perlin. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, D. 1 and 4. And the answer is option D. 1 and 4. 66. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 book. Ibn Hassan, the central structure of the Mughal Empire. P. Saran, the provincial government of the Mughals. Moreland, India at the death of Akbar. M. Athar Ali, the Mughal nobility under Aurangzeb. 67. Which of the following was not a factor for Lord Bordonis to defy Dupleix in giving back Madras to the English East India Company? A. To assert his independence by not submitting to Dupleix authority. B. Possibly received a private gift from the English East India Company. C. Lord Bordonis had already pledged his word for a ransom from the English in lieu of giving back Madras. D. Lord Bordonis had been ordered to leave the coast and return back to Mauritius by the French Home Government. And the answer is option D. Lord Bordonis had been ordered to leave the coast and return back to Mauritius by the French Home Government. 68. Which legislation for the first time used the term scheduled caste? A. India Councils Act of 1909. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Government of India Act 1935. D. Constitution of Indian Republic. And the answer is option D. Government of India Act 1935. 69. Which British official had written about the uncertain land conditions prevailing in northern India that in the landed property of the country, a very extensive and melancholy revolution had been effected? A. G. Wingate. B. Robert Martinsburg. C. John Dickinson. D. Holt Mackenzie. And the answer is option D. Holt Mackenzie. 70. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. Some of the peasant rebellions in pre-1857 India were participated exclusively by the tribal population whose political autonomy and control over local resources were threatened by the policies of the British rule. Reason R. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, the revenue reform of the company's government had fundamentally affected and altered the Indian rural society. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of E. 71. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 Arthur, list 2 Buck. John William Kaye, A History of the Sepoy War in India. G.B. Malleson, Indian Mutiny in 1857. Edward J. Thompson, The Other Side of the Medal. Sir George Macmillan, The Indian Mutiny in Perspective. 72. Who among the following was not an eminent Orientalist? A. H.T. Colebrook. B. H.H. Wilson. C. Edwin Arnold. D. Charles Trevelyan. And the answer is option D. Charles Trevelyan. 73. Which one of the following Muslim thinkers persuaded the ulamas in India to work for independence in cooperation with the Indian National Congress? A. Jamal al-Din Afghani. B. Muhammad Iqbal. C. Syed Ahmad Khan. D. Ghulam Mahmud. And the answer is option A. Jamal al-Din Afghani. 74. Which of the following statements regarding the ideas propagated by Jyotiba Phule is not correct? A. His words and actions represent a form of universal humanism. B. Phule worked for a new social structure built on equality and rationality. C. Phule not only put himself outside the Brahmanic culture system but also outside of Hindu society. D. Phule rejected all Hindu scriptures which legitimized hegemony of the Brahmin class. And the answer is option C. Phule not only put himself outside the Brahmanic culture system but also outside of Hindu society. 75. Which one of the following Governor Generals earned the epithet of clemency? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Mayo. C. Lord Ripon. D. Lord Lansdowne. The answer is option A. Lord Canning. 76. Whose open letters on Indian economy to Lord Curzon forced the British Indian government to publish an official rebuttal and also initiate reformatory economic measures? A. M.G. Ranade. B. G.V. Joshi. C. R.C. Dutt. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The answer is option C, R.C. Dutt. 77. In nationalist iconography, who celebrated painting of Bharat Mata or Mother India, c. 1904 not 5, came to symbolize this new image of India? A. Raja Ravi Verma, B. Abhinindranath Thakur, C. Gahanendranath Thakur, D. Nandlal Bose. And the answer is option B, Abhinindranath Thakur. 78. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Mahatma Gandhi wrote, even Swadesi, like any good thing, can be ridden to death if it is made a fetish. Reason R. Mahatma Gandhi opined Swadesi is a doctrine that has its roots in the purest ahimsa, that is love. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 79. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Nationalist women. List 2. Their activities. Sarojini Naidu led Salt Satyagraha at Darsana. Usha Mehta operated secret radio during Quit India movement. Aruna Asaf Ali, a leader of the underground movement. Dr. Lakshmi Swaminathan joined Azad Hind Force. 80. Which country imposed strict restrictions on the Indian immigrants from landing carried by the ship Kamaghattu Maru in March 1914? A. USA, B. England, C. Japan, D. Canada. The answer is option D, Canada. Chronologically arrange the following top-level political negotiations that took place to conciliate the Muslim League position. 1. Vallabhbhai Desai Liaquat Ali Pact. 2. Simla Conference. 3. Gandhi Jinnah Talks. 4. Rajaji Rajgopalachari Formula. Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. 3142, B. 2431, C. 1324, D. 4321. And the answer is D. 4312. Rajaji Rajgopalachari Formula, Gandhi Jinnah Talks, Vallabhbhai Desai Liaquat Ali Pact, Simla Conference. 82. After gaining independence from the British rule, who reminded Jawaharlal Nehru, freedom comes to India, not to the Congress, urging the formulation of a cabinet that included the ablest men regardless of party affiliation? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Vallabhbhai Patel. And the answer is option D, C. Mahatma Gandhi. 83. The second 5-year plan, which aimed at accelerating economic growth under the state assuming leading role, who was also known as A. the Bombay Plan, B. the C.N. Vakil Plan, C. the John Matthias Plan, D. the P.C. Mahalanobis Plan. And the answer is option D, the P.C. Mahalanobis Plan. 84. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In the end, enlightenment brought the world of Europe into the modern era. Reason R. The scientific revolution of the 17th century has created basic intellectual milieu in which the enlightenment was born. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 85. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 title of the books. K.R. Quanungo, History of the Jats. Raghubir Singh, Malwa in Transition. J.D. Cunningham, History of the Sikhs. James Grant Duff, History of the Marathas. 86. From among the following statements, which one is not correct? A. The term enlightenment denotes major intellectual and cultural movement of the 18th century characterized by a deep faith in the power of human knowledge to solve basic problems of existence. B. Enlightenment writers aimed at rebuilding human society, institutions, and knowledge on the foundation of old structures. C. Intellectuals during the Enlightenment turned a critical eye on nearly all received traditions of Europe. D. The Enlightenment era was ruled by ideas of faith in reason, progress, and humanitarian values. And the answer is option B. Enlightenment writers aimed at rebuilding human society, institutions, and knowledge on the foundation of old structures. 87. At which session of the Indian National Congress the procession was jointly led by the Congress President Motilal Nehru and the Muslim League President Hakim Ajmal Khan? A. Lucknow session 1916, B. Amritsar session 1919, C. Calcutta session 1920, D. Ahmedabad session 1921. And the answer is option B. Amritsar session 1919. 88. Which one of the following newspapers was not associated with Mahatma Gandhi for communicating his ideas? A. Harijan, B. Indian Opinion, C. Young India, D. The Leader. The answer is option D. The Leader. 89. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Despite its name, the Hindu Code Bill was to apply to Sikhs, Buddhists, and Jains as well as Hindu caste and sects. Reason R. After independence, among those favoring a common civil code were the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and the Law Minister Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 90. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1. Social reformer. List 2. Their association. Pandita Ramabai, Sharada Sadan, Maharishi D.K. Karve, Anand Balika Ashram, G.K. Devdar and Mrs. Ramabai Ranade, Seva Sadan, Viresalingam Pantulu, Raj Mahendri Social Reform Association. 91. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The humanists of the Renaissance period believed that the classical antiquity constituted a reservoir of excellence, literary, intellectual, artistic, and moral. Reason R. The vernacular translation of the scriptures during the Renaissance hastened the process of secularization of society. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 92. When did the nationalist vocalist Pandit Vishnu Digambar Paluskar established his first Gangadharva Mahavidyalaya in 1901? A. Karachi, B. Bombay, C. Baroda, D. Lahore. And the answer is option D. Lahore. Which one of the following statements regarding postmodernism is not correct? A. Under postmodernism, assumptions regarding the unity of humanity, the individual as a creative force of society and history have been put under critical scrutiny. B. Under postmodernism, assumptions such as the idea of science as truth and the superiority of the West are held as absolute. C. Under postmodernism, disciplinary boundaries are getting blurred and new disciplinaries such as feminism, ethnic studies, urban and culture studies are moving to the center of human studies. D. The postmodernist critic introduces the idea of discontinuity, disjunction and interruption instead of the idea of linear and progressive historical rhythm. And the answer is option B. Under postmodernism, assumptions such as the idea of science as truth and the superiority of the West are held as absolute. 94. Which province ventured to construct irrigation canals through private companies by assured returns on their investment in the early 60s of the 19th century? A. Madras, B. Bombay, C. Bengal, D. Punjab. And the answer is option A. Madras. 95. Who among the following is not a member of the Subaltern Studies Project in India? A. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, B. Dipesh Chakraborty, C. Sahid Amin, D. Ramachandra Guha. And the answer is option D. Ramchandra Guha. 96. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 author, list 2 work. Benedict Anderson, Imagine Communities 1983. Ernst Gellner, Nation and Nationalism 1983. Eric J. Hobsbawm, Nations and Nationalism 1870. 1990. E. Kedori, Nationalism 1960. 97. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion A. Historical method may be regarded as a science that deals with the nature of human thought and the circumstances which condition its truth or validity. Reason R. As a science of knowledge, history is completely separated from natural science because it does not have universal laws. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 98. Which historian wrote the following words? The definition of the demarcation of ages in the history of any country are problematic issues. These have been especially so in the case of India because our historians, all British to begin with, borrowed the highly unsuitable paradigm of ancient, medieval, modern from the European experience and further complicated the matter by inventing three other ages: Hindu, Muslim, and British. A. R.C. Majumdar, B. Sumit Sarkar, C. Tapan Raj Chaudhary, D. Bipin Chandra. And answer is option C. Tapan Rai Chaudhary. 99. From among the following statements regarding history written by Leopold von Ranke, which one is not true? A. Ranke broke with the Enlightenment model of history as a teacher with teaching goals. B. Ranke's advice to historians was to refrain from explaining historical facts by means of mechanical cause-effect models and historical laws. C. Ranke believed that historical imagination could be used if documents were not available for history writing. D. Ranke's conception of history and his historical method were objective and free from value judgment. And the answer is option C. Ranke believed that historical imagination could be used if documents were not available for history writing. 100. Which one of the following books was not written by Thomas Paine? A. Common Sense. B. Reflections on the Revolution in France. C. The Rights of Man. D. The Age of Reason. And the answer is option A. B. Reflections on the Revolution in France.